This camp provided lots of information about astronomy. It not just inspired me but all the other students. I could not believe that our galaxy contains such beautiful things. Sir, for the world you might be just one person, but for us you are our inspiration.
Dear friends, mingle the starlight with your lives and you won't be treated by trifles. Said by America's first woman astronomer. Hi friends, today in our channel Spark, I, Sonam Vadva, would like to introduce you one of the person who has enough knowledge about our beautiful sky. So come on, let's meet him. Before that, I request you to please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Who has 10 years experience about our beautiful sky. So come on, let's talk to him and grab as much as knowledge as we can. Firstly, we would like to know that which thought had inspired you so much to enter into this field?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, sky observation is my hobby.
Sorry, sir, to interrupt you, but it is your hobby. Sounds good.
Yes. It's my hobby. When I was very little, like other children, so our one teacher who is very interested in this field also, he gave us some work for observation of the sky, and he strictly told us that report should be submitted to him within a few days. So we all gathered together and observed the sky by individually and drawing some drawings out there, what we saw upside, timing also. And we also enjoyed that night also. Then we submit that report to our teacher. And unfortunately, he teacher also very inspired by our work, what we have done and what we have submitted to him. So till that time, we all students inspired by for observing the sky.
Means, sir, you're still studying.
Yes, of course, I am still studying now.
Sir, can you tell me what is the relationship between our universe? Means how we say that our universe is how much big?
Actually, madam, it's a very little bit difficult question to answer the limitation of the sky, because this universe is infinite. It's no limitation for this universe. But before understanding that, you must understand the textbook library.
Library? So
Yes.
what is the relationship between school library and our universe? I'm a bit confused.
Yes. First time when I think about that, then also I was confused. But library means you just think step by step. There are the set of books in the library, and in library there are chapters, and in that chapter there are sentences, and in the sentences there are set of words, and in that set of words, every individual words, there are characters, even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever characters. So our planet Earth, which we are living here, is one character in this infinite universe.
Oh, now I got it. You mean to say that as our book is infinite, means Whatever we study, so many books are there in library. There is enormous number of books. Similarly, our universe is also infinite. That is why you're still continuing to study.
Yes.
Great, sir. Keep going. It's really an awesome feat.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Would you like to answer to the question that in your astronomical life, have you met any happiness moment which you will never forget, or any fun moment which had made you laugh, or any bitter experience? I request you to please share.
Yes, of course. In everyone's life, first time they will also get some good or a happy moment, and also will get some bad or bitter experiments. I also get. So, first my happy experience was when I was observed the double star cluster of Perseus. It's a constellation, and when I observed the trapezium star cluster of Orion constellation, it was my first happiest moment. Happiest because when that I observed, then I also observed that color of the stars. As you know that we are seeing that only one color, but no, there are so many stars out there. Some little bit white, little bit blue, little bit bluish white, some reddish white. And in the trapezium also, there are also set of stars. They are also very bright and colorful. That was the my nice good experience.
Nice, sir. But this is your happiness moment. If you don't mind, would you like to share the bitter experience?
Yes. In my first try, I didn't get any happy experience. First of all, I got that difficulty is that objecting the star. That means locating the star. Which star I am not going to observe. Then another one is our cloudy atmosphere also. And then some pollution, light pollution, other some natural problem also. So, and also most important is that the limitation of your telescope, which telescopes you are using, it's total depend on their power, how much distance it covers. So it is my first little bit difficult.
Okay, sir. But I think you overcome all these drawbacks very well.
Yes.
Rahul, sir, my next question would be little bit personal. May I move forward?
Yes, certainly, ma'am.
Sir, as I have heard, means my next question will be related to your life and your job. So I have heard from many people that you are very punctual and very accurate in your account section work. Whether if it's of 1 rupee also account, you are giving a correct account. There is no problem in your work. So can you please tell me what had motivated you, or some thoughts or something that you are so accurate in your work?
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. Whatever you heard is absolutely correct. Already I told you that since my childhood, I am also like other children, maintaining so much noise, making so much noise, disobeying the elders. But it was my childhood age. But whenever I enter into house, my father is very strict. Do your job, do your work, do your homework, whatever it is. Still that you can finish it, means finish it. There is no excuse. First, this one my experience. Because of my fathers, I have learned lots of things. And he and my mother also motivated me to walk on the right way. And by this doing, I am always enjoying the happiness as well as my platform for achieving this state of peace of mind. So this is my inspiration.
Wow, sir, it's really good. And you proved the thought. Loyalty is hard to find. Sir, can you please show me your house?
Yes, of course. Come on.
camp for our students. It is about sky observation. After attending this camp, our students had told me like this. We thought sky is a mere sky, it is nothing. But after attending his camp, we understand that it is full of mysteries.
Sir, whenever I see you, whether in the school or during the astronomy training or even at your workplace, you're always cheerful, happy, and fresh. Sir, what is that? How is it possible to be so fresh? Because for me, the little things irritate me so soon and change my mood a lot.
Yes, ma'am. So, as I already told you that since my childhood, I am very strict about doing my work. Whether it is cash counter or any other works, but punctuality is a must. So I just follow that rules. But I am not before act like this today because I was also very lazy man. But only because of my guidelines of my teachers, they given me the proper guidelines, proper instructions, and also when I done very wrong thing, wrong work, they also punished me. But definitely they changed my life. But other than my parents also are very important role in my life. There are 4 persons which I will not forget them.
Sir, can you please name those 4 persons?
Yes, of course. That persons are, first one is my parents, definitely. Then another person is Sister Fatima Rebel, because she is already completed her 80 years of age. Even though she didn't look like to me that she is an old lady, old sister, because his face is very young. Whenever I observe sister, already I discuss with her, sister, what is that? You are very old, but even though you are smiling, you are looking very attractive. Your face is talking much than your mouth. Then she told me that because of that positive energy, positive thinking, then positive behavior, I got that energy. So that's the second person who changed my behavior also. Third one is our father Hebik. Because of him, I always get the positive energy because he always searching what is the inside of that body, what is the inside of that means quality in that every person. So whenever we discuss through every topic regarding to foreign issue, political issue, our education issue, and our hobbies issue also. And already I told you that it's my hobby. So father diagnosed that. It's a very little bit good hobby. Then he gave me some positive energy, and always I get positive energy. And then I replied to them as per their wish. Another person is that my students. When I given the lecture to the students, then they also asking me the questions. Very interesting question, sir. This is what is this? What is this? What is this? That question also got me lots of energy about their curiosity, because curiosity is the most important to getting the knowledge. So I observed their curiosity and I replied to them. That's the 4 person in my life.
Wow, sir, it's really nice that you remember them and follow their guidelines.
Yes, of course.
Rahul sir for the excellent session in astronomy. It was a very wonderful and a useful session. We liked it and enjoyed it very much. I hope you may conduct these sessions in the coming future with more great enthusiasm and hard work. And at last, I would like to tell you thank you once again for the astronomy session.
Sir, can I use your equipments? Because hearing you, I am too building interest in sky observation.
Yes, ma'am. Of course. Why not? Take a look.
Sir, can you please guide me?
Okay. So, that will be first you locate that star. First of all, you must locate that moon also. if you want. Then just rotate that star. It's a Bethlehem star. It's also called as Christmas star.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Wow, sir, you have kind of
What happened?
No, sir. Actually, if any person want to start about the sky observation, the equipments are too costly. That is why I'm asking you, how did you manage this all equipments?
Yes. You are correct. This astronomical instruments, it's a little bit costly because they are not as affordable to common man. So already I told you that it's my hobby. So I manage and I fulfill my passion.
Really, sir, you again proved the thought that where there is a will, there is a way.
Yes, correct.
Wow, it's really an outstanding achievement, sir. And I really thank you from bottom of my heart that you given your precious time and you shared each and every information about sky observation. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Clear sky.
Dear viewers, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.